Take out the machine and all its parts. Install racks. Filter installation for small rubber rings can be found inside the filter's pins. If you unscrew the filter, you can find 2 large rubber rings inside the bottle body's joint. If they are damaged, you can replace them with backup ones. Note, you must insert the filter in the right direction. Avoid inserting it incorrectly or improperly. If you don't insert it fully, it may cause zero vacuum or air leakage. The instrument is equipped with 2 backup fuses, which can replace a broken one. If the fuse is damaged, slowly lever the place that installs it with a screwdriver, remove it, and substitute it with the spares. Place a vacuum freezing handpiece on the rack. Install the connecting wire for the handpiece. Get the rubber hose. If the large rubber ring is wearing, replace it with a backup one, so it is with the small rubber ring. Your fingers need to hold the connector's buckle and insert the wire inside after aligning with the jack on the machine. If the buckle gets stuck in the slot, it's properly inserted. Do the same to the other vacuum freezing handpiece. There are 3 holes in the back of the equipment: effusion, overflow, and drainage. You must pour pure or distilled water into the device before starting it. Connect one end of the funnel to the machine's effusion. If you do it correctly, the buckle on the effusion will pop up. Remove the screw from the overflow and white rubber cover. Add water into the machine via the funnel. It's full when water spills over the overflow. Remove the funnel, press down the buckle's switch, and remove the funnel's connecting wire simultaneously. Install the power cord. Press the power switch and on/off button on the machine. Parameters setting. Operating time range, 0 to 60 minutes. The advised working time for a body part is 20 to 30 minutes. Temperature range, -10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. -3 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius is recommended. 5 degrees Celsius is proposed for a first-time user, which can be lowered gradually after getting used to it. Press the main on/off button, and then press a handpiece's on/off button. Depending on the situation, you can use a handpiece or 2 for treatment. Apply 2 layers of antifreeze membranes to a treated area before treatment. Set the suction per the user's tolerance, and start from the lowest level and gradually increase it after the client gets used to it. Place a handpiece on the treated part. Press the handpieces on/off button after treatment ends. Remove the handpiece and antifreeze membrane. Gently rub remaining essence from the antifreeze membrane until they are absorbed. Clean the treated part with a towel. Turn off the equipment and remove the power cord. Remove grease and dirt from the handpieces with a wet towel, and then wipe it with a dry towel. Use a dry towel to clean the main unit and the connecting wires of the handpieces. Water discharging. 1. You need to discharge water from the machine if you do not use it for a long time. Refill water if you want to use it again. 2. Release water from the machine when the water is used for 2 months, and add fresh distilled water into it again. Connect one end of the funnel to the machine's drainage. If you do it correctly, the buckle on the drainage will pop up. Remove the funnel. When water is discharged, press the buckle's switch and simultaneously remove the funnel's connecting wire.